All right, here we have our invoice. I'm going to show you how to fill this out, make your life easier. Here, type in whatever your business name is. Business LLC. Street address 1234. Street. City. You get the point. Go over here, enter in your invoice number and whatever the date is today. And then, whoever you're billing this to, who's your customer? Customer is going to be ABC. Their information. Who do you talk to there? All of that. And let's say John was there. He's a laborer. He worked an hour, and we charge him out at $60 an hour. And then you have Bill, who was a supervisor, if I can spell, and we charge him out at $95. There's your material. If you wanted to make that an hour and a half, maybe he was there longer. Automatically updates. Then we have our list of material. Material 1, material 2, we used 3 and 5 and unit prices, I don't know, 2 and I don't know, $1.50. You come down here. How many hours were you there? Charge your vehicle. You have to pay for that vehicle. That's pretty common. Locate fee. Did you have to do a locate at all, or did you have to pull any permit? You add that. You can easily update that price. Maybe you charge that, or maybe you charge that. I don't know. Permit could be that. Get you down to your subtotal. You update whatever your tax rate is, and there's your total. Pretty simple.